A long time ago, in a vast green forest, lived a small bird with an extraordinary gift. Her voice was so pure and sweet that every morning the entire jungle would pause to listen. The trees stood still, the animals fell silent. Even the wind seemed to slow down. She was loved, not because life was easy for her, but because she earned that love. Every day, she flew far and wide in search of insects. It was exhausting work, her wings ached. The journey was long, but she was happy because she was using her strength. One day, as she returned from a long flight, she saw a farmer walking through the forest, carrying a wooden box. Curious, the bird flew down and asked, "What's inside that box?" The farmer replied, "Insects. I'm taking them to the market to sell, so I can buy feathers." The bird thought for a moment, and an idea appeared. "I already have feathers," she said, "and every day I fly so far just to find insects. Why don't we make a deal? I'll give you my feathers, you give me insects. You won't have to go to the market, and I won't have to struggle anymore." The farmer agreed. That day, the bird gave one feather and received food in return. It felt easy. From then on, the deal continued. Every day, one feather. Every day, easy food. No flying, no effort, no struggle. Life felt comfortable. But slowly, something began to change. Her feathers became fewer. Her wings felt heavier. Flying became difficult. Her body grew weak. Her song changed too. The voice that once made the jungle stop became dull, rough, almost unrecognizable. She told herself, "Maybe I'm just tired. Maybe it will get better." But it didn't. One day, she looked at herself, and there were no feathers left. She tried to fly. She couldn't. She tried to search for insects. She had no strength. The farmer stopped coming. She had nothing left to offer. The forest no longer noticed her. The same world that once listened now walked past her in silence. And quietly, one day, the bird died. Never trade what sustains you for what only comforts you. The bird didn't lose her wings in one day. She lost them one easy choice at a time. In life, effort is what keeps us alive, growing, and respected. The moment we stop using our abilities and start avoiding effort, we begin to lose our strength. There is no shortcut to real success. Every avoided struggle takes a piece of our power away. So never trade your wings for convenience or sell your strength for comfort. Your talent, your hard work, and your spirit are your true identity. Fly even when it's hard. Climb even when it's slow. Because when you reach the sky on your own wings, that sky will truly belong to you. If this story inspired you, give it a thumbs up, comment what you learned, and share it to inspire others. See you in the next story. Take care.